Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cake using Unibic Choco chip cookies. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 200 grams of Unibic Choco chip cookies, 100 milliliters of milk, and 50 grams of melted butter. Also, have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt ready. Don't forget to prepare a greased baking tin for your cake. Now, let's prepare the cookie batter. Start by crushing your 200 grams of Unibic Choco chip cookies into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or a rolling pin for this. Next, combine these cookie crumbs with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually add 100 milliliters of milk and 50 grams of melted butter, mixing until you achieve a smooth, consistent batter. It's time to bake your delicious cookie cake. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the prepared cookie batter into your greased baking tin. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Once baked, let your cake cool in the tin for about 10 minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents it from breaking. For an extra treat, you can frost it with chocolate ganache or whipped cream. Finally, slice your beautiful homemade Unibic Choco chip cookie cake and enjoy this delightful dessert with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.